How to recover permanently deleted files on Android. So if you want to recover permanently deleted files on your Android, then first you need to open up your albums or your gallery, and I'll be choosing something and deleting it. Once you've deleted, now go back, go with settings, which will be on the upper right, and you will have recently deleted turned on, right? So you just need something, go with search, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go with recently deleted. Here on the bottom I have the recently deleted, so here you will have all of the recently deleted files, right? So if you want to recover something, then you can simply go and recover it. So simply tap and hold on to that and then go with restore, and it will be restored, right? But if it is not right here, then what you need to do is go back and open up your Google Photos. Once you open up your Google Photos, you can go with the collections option, which is on the bottom, and once you go with collections, now go with trash, which is on the upper right. And under your trash you will have your items, so you can simply select the item and go with restore, which is on the bottom, and it will be restored. So that's how you can recover your permanently deleted files on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.